Tired of a cluttered kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is here to revolutionize your cooking. This incredible appliance isn't just a pressure cooker. It's 9 kitchen devices rolled into one, simplifying every meal. From slow cooking and sautéing to making yogurt and sterilizing, its versatility truly makes it the best kitchen companion. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can cook perfect meals at the touch of a button, no guessing required. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef, these presets ensure consistent, delicious results every single time. The food-grade stainless steel inner pot offers superior durability and worry-free cleaning, unlike non-stick alternatives. What truly sets the Instant Pot Duo Plus apart is how it streamlines your entire cooking process and saves valuable counter space. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? You can find the best deal on this amazing Instant Pot Duo Plus pressure cooker via the Amazon link in the description. Stop juggling multiple appliances. This all-in-one marvel is the smart kitchen solution you've been searching for. For anyone serious about efficient, delicious home cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is an absolute must-have in 2025.